Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can unmute a community on Reddit. So let's get started. Firstly, open Reddit app in your device. Then tap on three lines icon. Next, find the community which you want to unmute. Then tap on the community. After that, tap on three dots icon. Next, you can see the option of unmute. Tap on it. Next, tap on yes unmute. So, this is how you can unmute a community on Reddit. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.